Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to do a quick and easy summer foundation routine. So to start off, I usually make sure I moisturize really well. I like to use a moisturizer from Nivea because it doesn't really have a lot of fragrance in it and it's just very moisturizing without being greasy. And for foundation, I'm using my favorite foundation at the moment, Fenty Beauty Profiltr Foundation. I'm in the shade 430 and I find that this shade is one of my favorite matches right now. I don't have to worry about the undertone being off or not matching with my chest or anything. So I shake it up and I go in with the brush first, and I find that I'm able to use less when I use a brush, start out with the brush. Then I go over everything and really blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm going to be using my favorite concealer at the moment. It's the Oma Beauty Stay Woke concealer. I'm in the shade T2, and the same with the foundation. I go in lightly. I have creases under my eyes, so I really try to make sure that I don't put too much product there, but I'm still able to get the coverage that I want. So yeah, I really like this concealer. The coverage and the color is really nice. So another thing that helps my makeup last is layering products. So I'm going to be layering highlight. I'm using my Anastasia Liquid Glow in the shade Bronzed, and I'm blending that in with my beauty sponge. As you can see, I like to do this before I set everything because I find liquid products go on better on top of each other. And for setting my face, I'm going to be using my Fenty powder. I use the shade Hazelnut, and I'm making sure that I blend my under eyes before I go in with the powder. I'm setting everything initially so the powder doesn't stick to my eyes. I'm going to be doing my eyes last for once, so I'm going to be adding extra powder there, but I wanted to set everything so the powder wouldn't stick to my eyes. For my eyes, it's just a quick little graphic eyeshadow look. I got this pigment in an Ipsy Glam bag. It's really pretty. I really like the way it turned out. Now I'm going to finish off the rest of my face. I'm going in with my everyday bronzers, the Fenty Sunstalkr bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. I go in really lightly with this because it's a deeper shade. If I had a heavier hand, I would go in with the one before this one, Coconut, I think is what it's called. But I really like this shade. I like the warmth that it gives to my skin. And for blush, I've been loving blush lately, and I found this palette. It's from e.l.f. and it's the dark blush palette, and it has a lot of beautiful colors. So I'm going in with the peachy color. I'm going in with Penny for Your Thoughts just to highlight my skin. I go in lightly with this, but even lightly you can tell it still looks pretty. And for lips, I'm just using a black lipstick from MAC. So this is the final look, guys. This is what I've been wearing to keep my makeup on throughout these hot summer days, and I find it really works for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!